Hi, let's introduce myself. My name is André Dagenais. I'm from Quebec, Canada. My native language is French, but I think I'm fluent in English and for reading and writing, and maybe at an intermediate level for speaking. I'm a CAD programmer, so my specialty is CAD programming. I can automate tasks in AutoCAD and Revit. I'm also an Autodesk Certified Instructor for AutoCAD and Revit. I have also two diplomas, one as a technical drafter, specializing in the building sector, and one as a programmer analyst. I have over than 30 years of programming experience. With AutoCAD, I can program in different languages like Autolisp. Autolisp is a language only available for AutoCAD. I use it since 1990. I can also use VBA. It's easier to create dialogues with VBA than Autolisp. I can also use VB.NET to make more complicated applications. Or C#. VB.NET or C#, I'm fluent in both languages, so I can do the program in any of those languages. C# is very, or maybe a little bit used actually for .NET programming. It's also possible to use C++. We call that in AutoCAD Object IRIX. It's a most specialized language. I don't use it very often because sometimes it's more complicated and it's more simple to do that in C# than in C++. And you don't have many, I don't know how to say that, many gain in your, if you use C++ than C#. I can also program Revit. Revit is a relatively new CAD program specialized in construction for architecture, structure, and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And I can create add-in in C#. I can do it also in VB.NET, but actually I only use C# for Revit programming. So we can create many complex applications with Revit. The example here is it's an application that will sync information between a website and a project. So I'm using a RESTful API to get and put information from the website to synchronize data between the building model and the website. I can also do any desktop programming using Visual Studio, Microsoft Access, because I have strong knowledge in database like Access, MySQL or SQLite. For my reporting, I'm used to use a Crystal report or the reporting tools if I create an Access application. And I can use some specialized tools like Newtonsoft JSON to manage JSON files with RESTful API to be able to communicate between my application and a website. So I'm also very professional, reliable, so don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.